unbox my Cakepop supplies with me.
So I was eating a bowl of cereal, right? Making some cake pops. And you know what happened? We got a package. So let's open that bad boy up. Shout out to Kelly. I normally would use these, the little chalk labels or whatever, to be fancy. But this year I said, let's upgrade. So they come in these little pieces, and I'm guessing you have to, peel. Bro, oh, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Nada. Bruh, these right here cute. They cute. So we gotta demonstrate. Can y'all just imagine, bro? Baked by ATC. That is so cute. So these are gonna end up being pumpkin cake pops for tomorrow. If that's not the cutest freaking thing you ever did see.